phone and thought this small thing could actually earn me money. Not scrolling, not texting, not watching other people's success, but actually earning. Because the truth is, many of us are seated on income every single day, and we don't even realize it. Today I want to share with you 5 AI tools that can realistically help you earn money from home. And I won't just list the tools, I'll show you exactly how someone like you can earn from these tools. Welcome to this channel. This is a place for dreamers, professionals, go-getters who want to win with AI. Here we give you tools, strategies, mindset shifts that will transform your career anywhere in the world. So subscribe if you haven't, and let's rise above barriers. Our first tool is CHGP. Let's start with this obvious one. Most people use CHGP to ask random questions, and yet smart people use it to generate income. These are some of the ways you can earn. Writing CVs and cover letters for job seekers. Creating social media captions for small businesses. Writing product descriptions for online stores. Script writing for creators. Imagine this. Your friend says, "Can you help me with my CV?" You open AI, prompt it properly, refine it, personalize it at a fee. Do that 4 times a week. Now that's income. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to ask good prompts. That's it. Our second tool is Canva. Now you don't need to know Photoshop. Canva plus AI equals opportunity. These are some of the ways you can earn. Create Instagram posts for small businesses. Design flyers for events. Create digital planners. Design CV templates and sell them online. Every small business needs posters. It needs social media graphics. You can start to use Canva's AI tools to generate layouts, text ideas and designs, and then charge per design, depending on complexity. That's income, and that's what I'm talking about. Our next tool is Synthesia. This one creates videos without you showing your face. This tool lets you create videos using AI avatars that speak your script. And these are some of the ways you can earn. Create training videos for small businesses, make explainer videos, produce course content, offer corporate presentation videos. Imagine a small company needing onboarding videos. You write a script with ChatGPT, upload it to Synthesia, and deliver a professional video. And then you name your price. You don't even need to show your face. Can you imagine that? Our next tool is Midjourney. This tool creates stunning art. But here's the income angle. You can create wall art and sell on Etsy. Design book covers, make social media graphics, create children's book illustrations, sell printable art. You can create once and sell repeatedly. Isn't that amazing? And our last tool is Jesper AI. Jesper AI is for making marketing content, which pays even more. You can use Jesper to create sales pages, email marketing, ads. You can sell this to coaches, online stores, digital businesses. This type of work pays higher than the normal writing because it helps businesses make money. That's the secret. And today I have shared those 5 tools that can help you earn from home. And if you're watching this and you're feeling tired, unemployed, underpaid, just tired, I want you to know that these tools are giving ordinary people a second chance, a chance to earn from home. And if others can do it, you can do it. Have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to a friend, someone who thinks will need it, and let's rise above barriers. See you in the next one.